In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google to Taskbar. Vertical bar. Add Google Chrome to Taskbar Windows 10. Begin on your desktop or go to your Windows area where the Google Chrome icon is visible. You need to locate the Google Chrome shortcut first. This is the icon you normally use to open the browser. When you find Google Chrome, right-click on it. This will open a small menu with several options. In that menu, look for the option to add it to the taskbar. Depending on your Windows 10 version, this may appear as Add to Taskbar or Pin to Taskbar. Select that option. As soon as you click it, Chrome will be added to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is especially helpful if you use Chrome often for browsing, searching, work, or school. Keeping it pinned to the taskbar saves time and keeps your most used app ready whenever you need it. After adding it, you can test it right away by clicking the Chrome icon on the taskbar to make sure it opens normally. If it does, then the process is complete. That covers everything you need to know.